In this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix this site Canberry's error in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To fix this kinds of error on Google Chrome, at the beginning you have to click on the Windows key and search for Control Panel. Once you open Control Panel, then click on View By and choose Category. Now you have to click on Network and Internet. On the next step, you have to click on Network and Sharing Center. Then you have to choose your internet connection and click on Properties. Then you have to scroll down and find Internet Protocol version 6 and uncheck mark 8. Now click on OK. Then check the problem is fixed or not. If the issue is still appear, then again click on the Windows key and search for Settings. Now you have to click on Network and Internet and click on Advanced Network Setting. Now you have to click on Network Reset and reset your network. Once you did all of this, and after doing all of the changes, you have to restart your computer. Then you will see the problem will be fixed. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily fix this site Canberry's error in Google Chrome.